What is up, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. So this video is actually going to be about my brother's F10 M5, which I haven't introduced to the channel until now. So the car right now is actually misfiring, and I'm thinking it's the mass airflow sensor. But first I got to diagnose it to see exactly what it is. So I'm going to grab the scanner real quick, hook it up to the car, and then let's check it out and see what's wrong with it. Before we begin, I want to give a shout out to BMW Parts Fresno, my boy Robert, for these dope ass shirts. Got the E30 M3 with the M stripes in the background. You guys should definitely check out his page on Instagram. It's called BMW PF, and go copy some dope merch. So in order to diagnose the car, I need to hook up the scanner to see what exactly is wrong with it. I'm thinking it's a mass airflow sensor. So yeah, let's dive into it and see what's up with it. Yeah, as I suspected, air mass posability, which is basically the mass airflow sensor. This car actually has two mass airflow sensors. So the only thing I can do right now is actually clean them. So I'm gonna head out to O'Reilly and get some mass airflow sensor cleaner, which is a special type of cleaner. Because if you use like alcohol or something, you can actually damage those sensors. So I'm gonna go grab a can of that, come back, and hopefully this works. So fingers crossed this works. This car is filthy, by the way. I'm gonna end up cleaning it later on today. This car is so quick for its weight though. Such a huge car, but it's got like 560 horsepower. Pretty damn quick, and it's bone stock. Let's get the face mask. Alright guys, we found what we wanted, so let's grab it and head out. Alright guys, we just made it back home. Grabbed the mass airflow sensor cleaner. Now I gotta take off the mass airflow sensors to clean them. I just got the sensors out. This is what they look like. So I don't know if you guys can see right there. It looks like there's oil in there. So these definitely need cleaning. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So this just evaporates on its own. You don't even have to really wipe it off or anything like that. Just give it a couple good sprays and it should be fine. Now we just let it dry up for like 10 minutes. And should be good to install back on the car. But look at all the oil that just came off of the mass airflow sensors. It's disgusting. Just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes and we should be good. Alright guys, let's go ahead and install the mass airflow sensors. And that's it, the sensors are all back in. Now let's start up the car, read the codes, and see how it runs. Well, we have to clear the codes first. All right, let's click clear. Yes, now it's clearing all the codes. All right, so we just cleared all the codes. Now let's hope it doesn't come back and that it runs normally. Seems to be running normally, but we gotta take it out for a drive. Drives, that'll be great. So far it's running pretty good. No check engine light. Let's cross our fingers and hope it stays that way. real quick to see if those codes are back or not, because it doesn't have to show check engine light for the codes to come back. So we just checked the codes, no fault code, no check engine light. Car is good. This literally costs $10, less than $10, and we just fixed the car with it. It's always better off to start off with the cheapest solution, the easiest thing. Instead of me just going and buying new mass airflow sensors, this was the easiest thing to do. So got that done. Car's running perfectly now. The only thing that's bad about this car right now is how dirty it is. This car is filthy. You can't really tell on camera. It looks pretty clean, but hold on, let me show you guys. Look at all these water spots. This needs to go to the car wash ASAP. So before we actually take it to get washed, my brother has been asking me to black these out for like the longest time. I'm gonna go get some black spray paint, take these off and spray paint them. Just got back from O'Reilly. I got some black paint for the fender grills, got some tape, some razor blades, and I got some paint that's kind of close to the colors so I can touch up some of the rock chips that are there. So it's a pretty close color, so should do the job. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the grills so we can get them painted. Alright guys, we just got off both of the fender grills. Now I'm gonna decide on whether I should take the whole handle off or just tape it and do it on the car. Since it was easy to take off, I'm just gonna take off all of them. Alright guys, we got everything off, got all 4 door handles off, got both the fender grills off. Now I just have to mask the door handles, scuff them up, scuff all this up, and we should be good to go. Here's the finished product. It came out really nice. Just gonna let them dry now and then unmask them and put it all back together. Wow guys, check these out. They came out really good. No more chrome. Now we'll put the grills back together. Grills are all back together. I'm just gonna go ahead and slap them on the car right now. I'm gonna put these back on the car as well, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, just got done installing everything. Here are the side vents, the door handles. So there's no more chrome, now it's all black and nice. It matches the Shadowline trim. There's nothing else chrome on this. It looks 10 times better, especially that when this was chrome, it just completely threw the look of the car off. I also went ahead and kind of paint matched these side markers because they used to be orange. They look better than before. So yeah, that's about it. And now all that's left is a nice wash. Alright guys, right now I'm heading out to the car wash to get this thing washed. I'll catch you guys at the car wash. Are you the manager? No? Just got back home from the car wash. Car's all looking clean. So the exhaust tips are really dirty. So I think I'm gonna give those a quick clean also. those look a lot better than before. They used to be completely black. Now it's looking good. The little blackouts made a huge difference though. Before it was just throwing it off, but looks better now. All right guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.